Alright, so got the engine started and all that. Had to fix the distributor, it wasn't firing right. Got a lot of backfires, a lot of pops, that's not good. And made this invention with zip ties to replace the linkage. Look at that. That's awesome. You know, it works. I don't care, it works. I'll probably, if I come across one, I'll probably buy one so that it'll look this bad, but I'll show you a quick startup. Can you see that? Oh, hold on, let me get. Really good. All I did was, what did I do? I wouldn't start off first. And this right here, the distributor, turned it around a little, got it adjusted, and just perfect timing for the engine. So yeah, it's done, just need a new brake line. Oh.